Hi, I'm Mark Shepard, founder of AI Professor. How many times this week have you opened a massive email thread and felt that sense of dread? You know there are important decisions buried in there, but you just don't have the 10 or 15 minutes to dig them out. I'm Mark Shepard, founder of AI Professor. After 35 years in tech, I've learned the most sustainable way to adopt AI isn't by writing big checks to consultants. It's by empowering your team to build their own practical solutions. And that's what we do here. In our last tutorial, you built a web page summarizer. Today, we're taking that exact same simple pattern and applying it to a problem I know you face daily: email overload. You're about to build an AI agent that dramatically reduces this friction and gives you back hours each week. And to walk you through every single step, here's my AI assistant, Nate.
Thanks, Mark. Hey everyone, I'm Nate. In the next 5 minutes, you'll build an email thread summarizer that does three powerful things: reads any email thread you forward to it, automatically extracts all the key decisions and action items, delivers a clean, concise summary straight back to your inbox, and the best part, no coding required. If you built our TLDR agent, this will feel very familiar. We're just adapting a few blocks. If you're new, don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Let's dive in. Here's a pro tip that will save you tons of time. In MindStudio, you rarely need to start from scratch. We're going to adapt the agent you built last time. Step 1. Duplicate your TLDR agent. Find your TLDR agent in your workspace. Click the three dots menu next to its name and select Duplicate. Just like that, you have a perfect copy. Step 2. Give it a new name. Click on the agent name at the top and let's rename it to something clear, like Email Thread Summarizer. You now have the same solid foundation: a start block, a generate text block, and an end block. We only need 3 simple changes to transform it. Let's make the first one. First change. We're switching the trigger from a browser extension to your email. Step 1. Open the start block. Click on your start block. Step 2. Change the trigger to email. Where it says browser extension, click and change it to email. This tells the agent to wake up whenever an email is forwarded to it. That's it for the trigger. Now, let's tell it what to read. Second change. We point the agent to the email content instead of a web page. Step 1. Click into your generate text block. Open it up. You'll see the summarization prompt from the last tutorial. Step 2. Swap the variable. Simply delete page content and type 2 opening curly braces. Then select message from the list that appears. Your prompt now reads, extract the 5 most important key points from the following content. What's happening here? When you forward an email thread, the message variable captures the entire conversation, every reply, all the context. Your agent will read it all and pull out only what matters. The brain of your agent is now set up. The final step is making sure you get the results where you need them. This third change is where the real magic happens. Instead of just seeing results inside MindStudio, we'll have them delivered directly to your inbox. Step 1. Open the end block. Click on the end block at the bottom of your workflow. Step 2. Enable email notifications. Look for the Notifications section, expand it, and toggle on email. Step 3. Configure your email. 2. Enter your email address. Subject: I'm using email thread summary. Feel free to customize this. Pro tip: want your whole team in the loop? Add multiple email addresses separated by commas. Now everyone gets the summary instantly. Step 4. Publish your agent. Hit that blue publish button in the top right corner. Step 5. Copy your unique trigger address. After publishing, MindStudio generates a unique email address for your agent. Copy it and save it in your contacts as My Email Summarizer. This is your new secret weapon. Moment of truth. I have an 18-message thread here about a project launch. It's filled with budget talks, timeline debates, and role assignments. Reading this thoroughly would take me at least 10 minutes. Step 1. Forward the thread. I'll hit forward, paste in my agent's unique email address, and hit send. Step 2. Watch it process. If you're curious, you can check the run history in your MindStudio dashboard to see it working in real time. Step 3. Check your inbox, and there it is. A new email from MindStudio with my clean summary. Just like that, 18 messy messages became a 30-second read. Every critical decision and action item is now perfectly clear. And that's it. You've just built an email thread summarizer that checkmark triggers automatically when you forward an email, processes the entire conversation thread, delivers a clean, actionable summary directly to your inbox. You use the same powerful pattern from tutorial number 1, simply adapting it for a new use case. That's the power of hands-on learning with MindStudio. Your challenge: build this agent today and test it with a real email from your inbox. Try it out and tag us in your results. We'd love to see what you build. In our next tutorial, we'll create a simple blog post generator. You're going to love it. Back to you, Mark.
Incredible work. You just built a tool that will save you serious time week after week. This is exactly what I mean by true AI transformation. It's not about magic. It's about empowerment through practical, hands-on learning. Keep building, and we'll see you in the next one.